Got the Logitech M340, the Collection Edition. Let's go ahead, open it up, and see what's inside. So let's see if there's anything else in here. It doesn't appear to be. No, that is it, with the instructions here and the quick manual. And yeah, that's it. These are the three things that it comes with. Obviously, you get the mouse, get the general instructions here, and you get the manual. And that's it. Now let's go ahead and remove the paper here, and let's just open this up. So here's the battery, and here is the USB-A receiver. Okay, now we can end the video.